Is it? Am I live here? Let me check. Live stream. Yep, I'm live. I'm audible. Am I audible? Am I audible? Obviously, I mean, okay. Okay, let's go to my browser. Okay, let's go to FreeCodeCamp. This is FreeCodeCamp. Do I need to log in here? If it's, yeah, I don't have to log in. Let's go. Let's start full stack curriculum. Yeah, I was on this. Build a cat Photoshop. Let's start the project. Start coding. Okay. Okay. So it is trying to say, in this workshop you will learn about the basic HTML elements like headers, paragraphs, lists. First element you will learn about h1 tag. Okay, obviously. So this tag is actually used inside the body tag. So this will be the main heading tag. Yeah, so it's saying that add h1 element with the text cat photo app and watch the change in the browser. Okay, let's add this element. So to add this I have to make h1 tag like this, and I have to close this also, so like this h1, and inside the h1 tag I have to type cat photo app, this thing. Okay, cat photo app. Okay, so it is saying cat photo app. Now I can check my code. Obviously it's correct. Let's submit and carry on. The h1 through h6 heading elements are used to signify the importance of content below them. The lower the number, the higher the importance. Okay, so h2 elements have less importance than h1 elements. Okay, so h1 elements, so the elements inside this h1 tag will have the highest priority over the elements inside the h2 tag, and similarly the lower we go, the higher we go in the tag number, the lower its importance becomes. So what I have to do now is, it is saying that below the h1 element add h2 element exist cat photos. Okay, so I have just, I just have to, I can just copy this, I can just paste this, and just I have to make this h2, and let's make it h2, and I have to cat photos. Let's edit this. Done. Okay, let's go to another challenge. Step 3 says that what is it trying to say? The P element is used to create a paragraph of text on websites. Okay, create a P element below your H2 element and give it the following text: everyone loves cute cats online. Okay, so I just have to become, if I do this, okay, I have to write the tag. So P tag, paragraph tag, and I have to write everyone loves cute cats online, and I have to close the paragraph tag also. This is a cumbersome work because I have to write the tags manually, which is a little bit difficult, but it's not that bad. Okay, so this is a ad. I can't skip this because I am not a donator. Okay, just have to wait. Okay. Okay, commenting allows you to leave messages without affecting the browser display. It also allows you to make code inactive. A comment in HTML with this. Okay. Okay. So I have to add a comment above P. So like here, and I have to do like this, exclamation, double this, and I have to do add a link to cat photo. Okay. To do add a link to cat photos. Okay, that's good. Check it. Okay, that's not. I forgot to add. Still not working. Add a link, not add a link. I am blind. Okay, good to go. Next challenge. HTML5 have some elements that identify different content areas. These elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization, SEO, and accessibility. Okay, the main elements is used to represent the main content of the body and HTML document. Content inside the main element should be unique to the document and should not be repeated in other parts of the document. Okay. So in the example, there is a main tag, and inside the main tag there is h1 and a paragraph tag. So it's saying that the elements inside the main tag should be unique, okay, and should not be repeated on the other parts of the document. So this code here, we can't repeat this inside the body. If I'm right about it, you can't just repeat this. Okay, identify the main section of this page, adding main opening tag before h1 and main closing tag after the p element. So before h1, so here, okay, so here I have to open the main tag, main, close it, and after this I have to close it, main, close. Okay, check, good. Let's go आगे देखा जाए. हाँ, आगे देखते हैं क्या बोल रहा है. Okay, this is called nesting. Okay, Nested element should be placed two spaces further to the right of the element they are nested in. Spacing is called indentation and it is used to make HTML easier to read. Example, okay, so here H1 element, H2 element and the comment are indented two spaces more than the main. Okay. So use the space bar key to, okay, so like this, and if I submit, yeah. So it is saying that the main here is taking like 4 spaces. So our all the tags inside the main tag should at least not at least, but it should acquire like 6 spaces, because we add 2 more spaces to look, so it looks better, it looks cleaner this way. We can also do it with the Prettier or some plugin like that in our VS Code, but if we don't have it, we can just do it manually. That was not that important. Let me see if it does change some. Nothing. It doesn't change anything on the browser, so that's good. You can add images to your website by using image element. Okay. Image element doesn't have any closing tag. Okay, I already know about that. A closing tag knows a void element. Okay, yeah. So an image element below P at this point, no image will be show up in the browser. Okay, I have to add an image element below. Okay, no problem. Let's add an image element, img. Okay, so like this, maybe we check. Yeah, let's go ahead. The HTML attributes are special words used inside the opening tag of an element to control the element's behavior. The source attribute in an image element specifies the image URL where the image is located. Here is an example of image element and the source attribute posting the FreeCodeCamp logo. Okay. So I just have to add this source keyword, and by adding the source keyword, I can just add the link to the photo I need to show in the browser. So the link is already given, so I just have to add source and just copy this and paste it inside, and here we go. Let's go ahead. Okay, all IMG elements should have an alt attribute, and alt attributes text is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and displayed if the image fails to load. Okay, so it is just basically a safeguard option, or you can say alternate option. If this image doesn't load, then this will be by default shown here. So here is an example: a cute orange cat laying on its back, and I have to add it. Okay, so let's add alt equals cute orange cat lying on its back. Okay, click enter. Go ahead. You can link another page with the anchor element. Here's an example, this page. Okay, a anchor tab, href, and the link to to that web page. Okay, add an anchor element after the paragraph that links to this website, and at this point the link won't show up in the preview. Okay, okay, as you wish. Your wish, my command. I just have to copy this, paste it here, and just close it. And because anchor tag, I have to actually close the anchor tag. Okay, that's closed it. Bodacious. What is bodacious? What is bodacious? Let me search. Bodacious? Of course. A very large or important or something that people enjoy or admire. Okay. This cat looks funny. This cat looks a bit cursed. Okay, let's see. Okay, now a link text must be placed between the opening. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I know. Yeah, so because if we click on that text, it will redirect us to that web page. So basically I have to add here cat photos. Okay, cat photos. So now if I click on cat photos, it will, normally this link would bring you to another website. It works. This is a link. Okay, yeah, that's really good. They made this website really well. That just shows that pop up there, JavaScript. Okay, add the word see more before the anchor tag element in your gallery. After the anchor tag, what? See more before anchor element in our gallery after the anchor. See more. Okay, see more, and our S is capitalized, and after anchor element I have to use in our gallery. Okay, see more in our gallery. That's really good. Okay, I have to make a space here. Let me make it capitalize. Yeah, this is perfect. Sorry, your code doesn't pass. You should have see more in your code. Oh, I have done some stupid mistakes there. Now it should run. I'll complete this to 100%, then I'll end the stream. Okay, add paragraph tags to see more. Okay, so this is a paragraph then. Okay, let's do this. See more cat photo entries. Congratulations, you win. Turn the existing text cute cats into an anchor element that links to this. Cute cats. Where are the cute? Oh, this. Okay. Okay, I have to convert this to an anchor element. That's really not that. That's not. Where is my cute cat? What? Okay. Can I do this though? Can I use anchor element inside this? Cute Cats Online. Where is Cute Cats Online? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, basically here is Cute Cats. So basically I have to make it an anchor tag. So basically I can just copy this from here. Okay, I'm just going to copy, and before Cute Cat I'm just going to paste. Now I also have to copy this because I have to close the anchor tag, so I'm going to close it here. Now Cute Cats is a link, but I have to redirect to this page, so I'm just going to copy this and just going to replace it with this link, and now it should work. Let's go. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. What the fuck is going on? Okay. To open links in new tab, you can use target attribute on the anchor tag. The target attribute specifies whether to open the link document. Target blank opens the link document in a new tab or window. Okay, I understand. Here, basically syntax for anchor element target is this. So target is equal to blank. I just have to add the target element, target attribute, not an element, target attribute inside an anchor tag, which will contain the href to the another page. So what will happen here? So if let's click on this blue cats link, this page will load, this page will be refreshed and another page will be shown here. So actually this page will be redirected to that page. So we will be redirected to that page. This page will not stay here. So this page will be refreshed. Now if I want this page in a tab and I want another page to pop up, basically if I want to open this new web page in another tab, a new tab, I will just add this target blank to the href. So it is saying that add a target attribute with the value blank to the anchor element opening tag so that the link opens in a new tab. So I just have to do this. So I have to do this target equals blank underscore blank. Now this will work. So if I do this will normally work. Not this one. Okay, let me check on the code. Yeah, that's true. Let's hop onto another word. So we learned about many things. We learned about anchor tags, we learned about HTML body head, we learned about main tag, we learned about headers and the priorities, we learned about how image can be linked through source attribute, and we can also basically add a alt attribute to secure that image, so that if that image doesn't load, then this text will pop up in place of that image. Okay, now that you have added the link, you can remove the comment. Sorry, which comment? Okay, this comment. Okay, let's go. In previous step, you used an anchor element to turn text into a link. Other types of content can also be turned into a link by wrapping it in a anchor tags. Here's an example. Href example link, image source, this, alt, this, a. Okay. So I can also make this image a link. If somebody clicks on this image, they will be redirected to another page. So turn the image into a link. Okay, so this is the image. Yeah, so I have to wrap it inside an anchor tag. So I just have to add an anchor tag like this. This is good. And I just have to close this. Now this should work normally. Yeah, this is good. Let's try. Sorry, I did something wrong here. Let me see, what did I do wrong? Okay, I have to put this link instead of example link. Try. Let's go. Let's take a smally break here. Let's go. I'll definitely support this website. This website is just really good for beginners to learn anything like full stack development. If you want to learn DSA, anything. Before adding any new content, you should make use of section element to separate the cat photos content from future content. The section element is used to define sections in a document such as chapters, headers, footers, or any other sections in a document. It is a semantic element that helps the SEO and accessibility. So I just have to take your S2 element to P elements and anchor elements and nest them in a section element. Okay, so I just have to H2 here from here. So I just have to make a section here. So this is a section now, and this and anchor elements also. Okay, so I just have to close the section here. If I'm not wrong, this should work. Check. Congratulations. Submit and go ahead. We are only halfway there. We have to do a lot of stuff now. Let's see. It's time to add a new section. Add a section element below existing section. Okay, so this should add a section, and let's add another one, section. Now inside this, let's check. Yeah, that's true. Submit. Now within the second section element, add two H2 elements with the text cat lists. Add a new H2. Okay, H2. Cat lists. Okay, check it. That's good. Let's go. Okay, when you add a lower rank heading element to your page, it implies that you are starting a new subsection. After last S2 element, the second section element, add an S3 element, the text cat love, things cat love. Okay, so it is saying that after H2 element of second section, add another H3 element and just type things cats love. Submit. Okay, to create an unordered list of items, you can use the UL element. After the S3 element, the things catalog text, add an unordered list of elements. Note that nothing will be displayed at this point. Okay, after this. Okay, so UL, just UL. Like just like this. After S3 element with the things catalog text, add an unordered list element. Note that nothing will be stated. How to add this? What is the syntax? Your UL element should have an opening tag. Opening tag has syntax, element name. Okay, I guess. Okay, let's try this. If it is wrong, then I will something else. What the? I have to close this stream for